Today we need the climate change adaptation. Only the climate change adaptation when you start the love and respect of nature. Is the time now, if we can think why the flood and drought increasing every day. You know, today everywhere the river is going, dying and dead. Nobody bother about the rejuvenation of the rivers. The Mahatma Gandhi say very clearly, this nature can fulfill the need of everyone, but this nature can't fulfill the greed of anyone. So our agriculture, before nourishing us and nourishing the earth, today we just exploring the money in agriculture. Respected dais and off the dais, my dear students and teachers and social workers and my old friend Rajan, Vanita, Sundar Rajan. So, and another Rajan is sitting here. So, very good atmosphere here today and we can discuss good thing. But I show some film here today because they can understand and they can decide what is the way of our common future and what we can do and what we can't do. So they can decide. So a small film can start and see the science with sense. What is the charisma? What is the miracle if we use the science with sense? And we use the engineering and technology with consciousness and concern equally for nature and for humankind. So please you see and decide and you ask the questions to me later on.
Nowadays we talk about digital revolution being the thing in our generation. So my question is, going digital, will it reduce climate change or increase climate change, and what can be done about it?
You see the change when this modern education system teaching us the digital and engineering and technology. So we make fast extraction of nature. Now today the best engineer is who teaches in a minimum time, maximum extraction of nature. So digital is a very fast way we can extract so much from nature. So if you are just extracting from the nature, so we can't make a climate change adaptation. Today we need the climate change adaptation. Only the climate change adaptation when you start the love and respect of nature. Without love and respect of nature, you can't make the adaptation with climate change. So the climate change moving to very fast in an opposite way. And your digital is also helping on that same line. So you can decide what type of the digital you need and what type the digital you not need. So now this decision in the hand of my young people of India or my young people of the world. That is the time now, if we can think why the flood and drought increasing every day. And what is the role of the control the flood and drought by the digital? So we can decide and we can compare if this digital can control the drought and flood. So we can say, oh yes, we need the digital service. You decide. Now the ball is in your hand.
Good morning, sir. I'm Kalaivani from 2nd BSc Cyber Security. My question is, one thing you would suggest to this generation that they would change for the future?
Our common future completely related with nature. And this nature can show the path to us for better common future. Our better common future is, if we are thinking a better future, so we can start in a common platform what is the way we can make our better future. You know, today, everywhere the river is going, dying and dead. Nobody bother about the rejuvenation of the rivers. And if your river is going, dying, your health, your economy, your need, you can think what is the way they are moving. The Mahatma Gandhi say very clearly, this nature can fulfill the need of everyone, but this nature can't fulfill the greed of anyone. So if we can think about our better common future, so we can make a discipline in our life. And we spend some time with water, forest, wildlife. The wildlife can show the path. Forest can show the path. River can tell you the way of life. Because river flowing for all of you. River not flowing for himself or herself. So we can think. I'm not answering to 2 plus 2 is 4. I'm answering just you open and you understand what is the way we can explore the answer. You know, this education always giving the solution. But I'm not giving the solution. I'm saying you explore the solution. If you try for the exploration of the solution, you can make a better future. Because our youth is really better future for us. Yes.
The feasibility of linking South Indian river and North Indian river is still in a talk. And what make it not happening and what should be made to make it happen?
My friend Janak Rajan sitting here in this house. He can tell you in a right way this answer. But I can say a very, very simple way of this answer. You know, if we can link our head, our heart and our hand with river, river make a real flow for you and for us. The river have the strength. But our head and our heart and our hand go away with the river. We are not really, our heart not really with the river. If we give our heart and head and hand to the river, every river can flow. You see the river we make now. The 17th river in India is flowing now in 2024. 17. And not only in Rajasthan, Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, and 2 rivers in Maharashtra. So river can flow. Every part of this country, river have the strength for the flowing, and the river can give the water whatever need. But you know, the linking of the river is the slogan, not for you. That slogan for only the big cities. This river is not for the people of India. This river is only for the big city of India. And not a single city in this country who can say we are living in the bank of the Only pure and continuous flow in this river, not a single city. मैं समझता हूं कि तुम इस सवाल का जवाब खुद ढूंढो कि नॉर्थ की नदियों का पानी साउथ की नदियों को मिलना चाहिए कि नहीं. ठीक है ना? यस.
Hello, sir. I'm Ramita from 3rd BSc Zoology, and I'm from a rural village where agriculture is practiced as a living. But once we come out from there, the people's perception towards agriculture is different. So, how can we make agriculture sustainable in the face of climate change?
You know, today the marketization and commercialization in the agriculture. So before this, agriculture is a culture for this country. Today, this is a business for this country, agribusiness. This agribusiness creating pollution and giving the sense to our mind, extraction in a very less time, how much you can extract from this earth. And earth is not for extraction. Earth is for nourishing us. So our agriculture, before nourishing us and nourishing the earth, today we just exploring the money in agriculture. So I told yesterday, today my country expanding economic infrastructure, and the load of the economic infrastructure not taking by earth. But my earth is underloaded. My dear friends, showing the film to you. हमारी धरती को बुखार चढ़ा है, मौसम का मिजाज बिगड़ गया है, और जब मौसम का मिजाज बिगड़ता है तो पता नहीं चलता कि बारिश कब आएगी और कब नहीं आएगी. Now my earth is fevered. So we can start again loving with this earth. If we are loving this earth, we are doing some labor work for agriculture. Today we are not doing the labor work for agriculture. We are seeing the medicine for the weeds. We are exploring the medicine for the weeds. Before, nobody think about the weed extraction medicine. So we need a agriculture with culture, with nature. And agriculture is a real spirituality for my country. हम गुरु थे दुनिया के जब तक हम इस प्रकृति को प्यार करते थे. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for clearing the queries of my friends.